We're one of the city's largest and most well-respected employers. We want to provide opportunities for young people to start their careers here with us and really start to support and develop those services that help support the lives of so many people across Newport. Come and join us and be part of Newport City Council.
I joined the council as an apprentice in education. I received a lot of support and opportunities, and I've since worked my way into a business support officer role in social services.
I've joined the council working in school IT support. It is great to get on-the-job experience and help people out with their issues, and it's also great to gain experience and a qualification at the same time as working, and I'm really looking forward to my next steps.